Whether it's a weekend trip or a longer journey, the right suitcase can enhance your travel experience. In this video, we'll showcase the top 5 carry-on luggage options, each with unique features to elevate your journey. Number 5. Nobl Travel Zipperless Carry-On Suitcase. This suitcase combines durability and innovation with its unbreakable polycarbonate shell and robust aluminum frame. Measuring 22 x 14 x 9 inches and weighing only 8.15 pounds, it offers a spacious 35-liter capacity. The cleverly designed USB and USB-C charging ports let you power your devices on the go, while built-in bag hooks provide hands-free convenience. With its interior compartments for organization, this suitcase is perfect for frequent flyers, though some users note that its weight might be on the heavier side. Number 4. KROSER Hardside Expandable Carry-On Luggage. Designed for travelers looking for versatility, this suitcase features dimensions of 14.1 x 9.3 x 21.5 inches and weighs just 7.04 pounds. Its expandable design adds extra packing capacity, making it suitable for longer trips. The built-in USB port allows for convenient charging, while the durable spinner wheels ensure smooth maneuverability on various surfaces. The reinforced explosion-proof zipper and CA-approved combination lock enhance security, making it easy for airport staff to check without compromising your belongings. Customers appreciate its lightweight design and overall build quality, although some may find the handle length less than ideal. Number 3. Samsonite Carry-On Luggage. This stylish suitcase measures 21.25 x 15.25 x 10.0 inches and weighs just 6.5 pounds, maximizing packing capacity while adhering to most carry-on size restrictions. The durable, scratch-resistant hard shell is built to withstand the rigors of travel, and the CA-approved combination lock provides added security for checked belongings. With 4 multi-directional double spinner wheels, this suitcase offers 360-degree rolling for easy maneuverability without straining your arms or shoulders. Users highlight its spacious interior with cross straps to secure items and sleek appearance, although opinions on scratch resistance vary. Number 2. Level 8 Rolling Carry-On Luggage. This suitcase stands out with its 3-layer polycarbonate hardshell construction, ensuring both elasticity and resilience. Measuring 21.5 x 14.5 x 9.2 inches and weighing 7.7 pounds, it meets the carry-on requirements for most airlines, with a packing capacity of 40 liters. The built-in TSA code lock ensures that your belongings remain secure during travel, while the aluminum telescoping handle has 4 adjustable height levels for comfortable control. Equipped with 8 silent universal spinner wheels, this suitcase allows for effortless and noiseless maneuverability. Customers appreciate its stylish design and ample space, though there are mixed reviews on durability and zipper quality. Number 5. Travelpro Maxlite 5 Carry-On Luggage. Topping our list, this lightweight suitcase weighs only 5.4 pounds and measures 21 x 14 x 9 inches, meeting most domestic airline carry-on requirements. The expandable feature provides an additional 2 inches of packing space, offering a maximum volume of 46 liters. Constructed with H2O Guard technology, the interior lining is protected from moisture, ensuring that your belongings stay dry. The suitcase features 4 360-degree spinner wheels, allowing for smooth and effortless maneuvering. The sturdy PowerScope light handle can be adjusted to 2 different heights and is designed with a patented contour grip for comfort. With multiple compartments for organization, including a full-length interior lid pocket and side accessory pocket, the Maxlite 5 is a reliable travel companion backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Choosing the right carry-on luggage can make your travels smoother and more enjoyable, whether you're off on a quick business trip or a longer vacation. Safe travels, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and gear reviews.